हळदोना नाशनोला हांगा निवळसाण उपक्रमा वेळार बेकायदेशीर रितीन उडयल्ल्या कोयऱ्यान नांवां आनी पत्तो आशिल्लें आवरण मेळ्ळां. जागृताय उपक्रम आसून लेगीत परत परत कोयर उडयतल्यांचेर ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोसान टिका केल्या. आतां अशें करतल्यांची नांवां उघडपणान हॉल ऑफ शेम ही फेसबूक पेज तयार करून ताचेर घालपाचो विचार आसा म्हण ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We have come here on the Nachinola Goa road because of the amount of garbage. Even without weighing it, I can tell you tons of garbage which is being littered by various people. When we had come here for an initial survey and examination of what we should do, I had myself said that apart from a few unscrupulous locals who are involved, most people are transit people coming from other parts of Goa, from Bisholi and beyond. And that has been proved to be true when the garbage was being collected today, segregated and being put into different bags. We have found packets of deliveries being made to people as far as Karapur in Bisholi, and even some people in Nachinola and Moira who have come all the way to throw garbage over here. First thing I'm going to tell you that I'm going to put this up along with this video of mine. I'm going to put up those receipts which we have found, so that I will appeal to each one of you in your locality. If you find these people over there, please tell them, please alert them, and please send me a photograph below in your post in reply to this, so that we can identify and start putting them in the hall of shame, which we need to now start shaming these people so that we stop this what is going on. Second is, we have other strategies by which we think of educating people, but even after education and high qualifications, the names, some of them which we see, apparently are residing in palatial places, in places which cost crores of rupees, and I would presume that they should be educated. Education is not mere qualification, but education includes your behavior and how you keep yourself, your family, your surroundings and your village. If you want to keep yourself clean, I think you need to keep your neighborhood clean also. And I don't think that everything we should push it onto the panchayat and the local comunidad here. Our Nachinola comunidad has gone out of the way, miles ahead, to try to help to solve this garbage problem. And I thank Tony Nazareth, who has been a beacon of hope for Nachinola village, to help them to give the place, to allow them to build a shed. But after you have this, I have seen people still dump anywhere. They just throw it without any concern, and they think that if they keep their house clean and they throw the garbage across the road in the other person's property, they think everything is fine. I think we need to stop it. We can only stop it because there's an old saying, spare the rod and spoil the child. Now we will have to use methods by which we need to name and shame these people, and only then I believe that they will learn and we will be able to have some kind of discipline. I don't want our constituency to be dirty, and I don't want our Goa, which is going into such shame for garbage, despite all the appeals by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Swachh Bharat drives and missions every time. We don't want it only on 2nd October. Every day we must think of cleanliness. We should begin in our home and in our environment.